Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show South Africa Daily Lotto prediction for Thursday, 15 May 2025. Today, Daily Lotto single prediction numbers: number 4, number 8, number 11, number 18, number 32. Today, Daily Lotto single prediction number repeat: number 4, number 8, number 18, number 32. Now Daily Lotto second prediction numbers: number 5, number 10, number 25, number 29, number 34. Now Daily Lotto second prediction number repeat: number 5, number 10, number 25, number 29, number 34. So friends, complete today South Africa Daily Lotto prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for next notification.